Hi, I am the doctor. Today's patient is a 2010 Lexus. I'm going to show you how to replace the brake pads on this Lexus. It's an LX 570. It's a V8. This is what you need right here. All you need is your special tool. Take off the nuts. 21 millimeter go in the back, right there, and your gun. Right there. Voila. That's all you need right there. You need a flathead screwdriver, a long needle nose right here. You need your brake pads in the front. This is LX. This is totally different than any other American right here. It comes with this little groove right here, this little long one in the back, connected. These go, there's a set for each side right here. These go in. I'll show you how to do all that right now. And these are for the rear. That's a different video because they're smaller pads. I'll show you how to do that in a different video. First, what we're going to do is jack up the vehicle. As you see, with the jack right here. Now, it's very high, so I put a 4x4 right here to give me that extra length. Jack it up to get it off the ground right there. 2 jacks, one on each side. And now it's holding pretty good. That's what you need right there to get it in the air. Now, you need to come over here, get your gun, special tool, 21 socket, put it in, and let's take it off. Here we go. That's right there. Socket right there. Come over here. Take it out. Roll it down. And let it drop from the inside. This is what you need right now to take off the brakes. This is what you need to do. First, you need some good lighting to make sure you got everything proper. Right there. Right there. Now we're going to start right here. As you see this little pin back here, pop that out. Pop that out. There it is, right there. That's all it is. It grows in right here like this. You put in, and you see these little grooves it has right here? That goes there, just like that. I put it right there so you can get a good look at it. Right there. Now I'm going to turn around. You see this? Just push, slide. That easy. Simple and easy. That comes out. See the hole? That's in the top. Right there. Hole at the bottom right there to put that little pin in. There you go. Right there. Now, we're coming to the good part. Pop out this, and you got to watch this because this will take off on you because they're bent in, very in like this. And you put in right there. Right there. And right there. Put those in. Just like that. Remember that. You gotta get them in. You do it from right there, like that, and like that. So you gotta be careful with these. And that's that right there. Now, you see the pads are very loose. You could probably bring them out like that. You see that? That's where I got these. Right here. Just work it a little bit. Don't have to gorilla it, just work it, and there you go. Look at how bad these brake pads are. Look at that. Right there. All the wear and everything done. Got your plate on the back. This comes off. I'll show you how to do all that right now. This is your inner and This is your outer. This is how it goes, just like this. See, those pistons go like that. That's your inner. That's your outer. Now you see this right here? That's in your inner. It goes like that. This part is on this side. Like that. This will tell you when it's squeaking and everything, when it's worn right there. See, your outer one don't have it. Now you're gonna look at your pistons. See how they're still out right there? Now people would use all kinds of incredible things in there, stick like wire brushes or something, try to push it in, but you gotta realize that's hard. I'm just gonna give it a little check right here. No, it's not gonna go in like that. So let's put these up here. Your inner and your outer. There. Now, I will take the old brake pad and I will take a flathead screwdriver. Now, you gotta put something there where it's like that. And you gotta wiggle the piston back. See how it's getting more turn in there? See how it's going in further? See, everyone does their own thing. I'm doing it. I figure this is the easiest. I always use the old brake to slide in and do the work because it's already worn out. Don't try to put the new one in there and then try to force it like that. That defeats the purpose on my behalf. This old one does it. See that? Now, see there? Now I got to do it on this side right here. Same thing on this side. Get it in there. There, you see? See how it's going on? I've seen techs break stuff in here and they have to take it all out. See that? Now it's in. Now to be sure it's in, you want to do a quick test. Your rear one, as you see, your little weird, you want to put it in to see if it's going to go in all the way and it's ready. Okay, still need a little bit more to go. That's about right there. See how easy that is? But you don't want it all the way in like that. You want this up because you see right here, as you see that pattern right there, this got to go through here. Going through here. Water angle right, because when I put this in, the other pad's gonna be right there. It's got to go all the way through right there. Just like that. Now, your outer. Be easy when you put it in. Okay, it's probably still out a little bit. The whole one in. That ought to be it. See that? That ought to be it right there. Here we go. Just like that. There we go, just like that. That's how it is, like that, right there, as you see. Now, wipe these up a little bit. Like that. That's there. Before I put this one in, I want to turn around like this right here. Now you see how I put these through like this to lock it in. See how that goes? Now you look at the end right here to make sure that little groove you're gonna be putting it in is visible so you can see where it's at. Right there on one end. Right there on the other. Now put that like that. Put that right in there like that, and voila. Now, you see this? 1, 2, 3. You pop out your brake pads, get a flathead screwdriver, use the old brake and push back the piston. Put in the new one. Brakes and the end gears and two big old, they're not screws, but two big old timers right here, and it's good to go. Roll it in there like that. Get it ready. Make sure you're lined up. These are some big long bolts, but they're special. Here we go. Now, '21, special tool. Get it in there, feel good. Careful, you don't want to over tighten. You don't want to over tighten these right here because this little thing right here, it got a lot of torque to it. There you go. Voila, there you go. Another patient has successfully sealed the operation. 2010 Lexus. It's a LX 570. Tell me what you think at the bottom. Just subscribe to my channel and let me know. Peace and have a nice day.